In this tutorial, we're going to walk through exactly how to create the most perfect wispy volume lash set. Creating the most perfect wispy style starts with the right products. So today I'm working with a mix of CC Curl and D-Curl in Lost Artistry's textured volume lashes as well as our standard volume lashes. To recreate this style, you're going to need lengths 7 to 15 millimeters. Here is the map. As you can see, this client has downturned natural lashes, so that is why I chose CC Curl and D-Curl. You might notice in the after photos that the lengths don't look quite like a 15 millimeter. That's because I counteracted for the client's downturned natural lashes. And when a client's natural lashes tilt downwards, we need extra length and curl in order to lift the lashes up. So that 15 millimeter looked more like, say, 13 millimeter on someone who would already have had lifted natural lashes. In order to get optimal texture, the entire set today was done with wet lash volume fans. The wet lash trend is so popular right now. If you're not familiar with the wet lash trend or you don't already offer it behind your chair, you should definitely think about bringing it on because I don't think this trend is going anywhere anytime soon. If you need a video on wet lashes and how to create them, we definitely have one on Instagram. And Instagram, you can find us at Lost Artistry Lash. We've actually just dropped our most advanced online course yet. It's called Advanced Texture, and you can find it at courses.lostartistrylash.com or right through our general product page at lostartistrylash.com. This course is our most advanced course yet, and we really dive into how to master every single textured lash style. So let's dive into the set. Today, I broke my set into two sections, my top layer mapping and my bottom layer mapping. The top layer will host my longest lengths, and my bottom layer mapping will create the base shape, which consists of my shortest lash lengths. I chose to stick with the same mapping shape across both layers, but my bottom layer is 3 millimeters shorter than the top layer. This method never disappoints when creating texture. To get started, I always set myself up for the best retention. How I do that is by starting all my sets with a cleanse and a prime. I find the lashes act more magnetic this way because the oils on the client's lashes don't interfere with the bond. Even though these steps take a few additional minutes, I actually end up saving time because the lashes connect much easier when I cleanse and prime. It's also important to use the right glue for the job. If I'm wrapping a lash or creating handmade volume fans, I personally need a fast cure time adhesive so that I can snatch that base and wrap it around the lash really fast so that I'm not taking ages to hold the lash and wait for it to cure. So today I'm working with Bondage Pro. It's our 0.5 to 1 second cure time adhesive. It's suggested for the advanced artist, but if you're looking for the right glue for you, go ahead and click this video above. You can watch it after you're done this video. It discusses how to choose the right glue for you, which is really important. To build the bones of the set, I went ahead and lashed the top layer first. My client today did have a ton of rogue natural lashes along the top layer, so I wanted to get those out of the way. So I just sectioned those rogue lashes out of the way so that I didn't have to worry about them and accidentally lash them without knowing. So I pulled those back and then lashed all the remaining lashes on the top layer before moving to the base shape, which was the bottom layer. Then I went in and filled the remainder of the lashes on the middle layer with the exact same mapping as my bottom layer map. The middle layer really adds a lot of darkness to the set, but it's really most important for your top and your bottom lash layer to be 100% covered. I love watching sets come to life. I don't know about you, but if you liked watching this process, go ahead and comment below. And if you're enjoying this video, take a moment to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe so that you're always notified when we drop brand new videos. So to finish, I finish all of my sets this way. It doesn't matter if it's a fill, a full set, any service type, I always finish with Super Bonder, followed by Nano Mister, and a fan to dry the lashes. This makes the experience really nice for the client. It soothes the eyes and feels wonderful for them when they are slowly entering back into the real world. It also cures the lashes so the glue fumes are no more, and it makes it so the bond is more flexible. So if your client is a face sleeper, you have to follow these steps. Super Bonder also, by curing the lashes, makes it so that the fans keep their shape, whatever shape it is, between fills so that you're not having to remove as many wonky lashes when the clients come back to see you.